Make sure you don't leave anything white on it. So it has to be all red, like this. Stir it up really, really good. Now we're gonna do the next one in blue. We're gonna open it up. Let me be right back. Now we got the spoon. We're gonna take 4 drops of blue food coloring. One, two, three, 4. We're gonna take a spoon and stir it up. Really, really good. Now we're going to take 2 more drops so it can get really, really dark blue. One, 2. See, now it turned blue. So it's blue and red. It's a pudding. Okay, now to make sure this one is red, put a little bit more again because it's very, very clear. You want to make it really red. Okay, now it's red. Now we're going to take a cup, whatever how many cups you could use. I use 2. So we're going to fill up in half in blue, and then white, and then red, and then white on top. So now we're going to take blue, put a half in the bottom of the cup, put a little bit more. You can shake it and make sure it's flat. Pour it right here. Okay, you don't want to take this. You want to smear really nice. Now we're going to take the white whipped cream. I'm going to shake it off and put it in the middle. Make sure it covers. And now we're going to take the red and we're going to put on top the white one. Now we're going to take a whipped cream, very little bit. See, I put blue in the bottom, white in the middle, and red. So we're going to take some whipped cream and I'm going to put a little bit on the top. And we're going to take a little sprinkle. You can use with your hand or sprinkle it with a bag. I use with my hand. And sprinkle it all over here. Here we go. A 4th of July treat. Very simple, easy, and delicious. Thanks for coming, everyone, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget, thumbs up. It'll help my channel to grow. Bye, everyone. See you next time.